She had hair down to here. I've been wanting to make this video since forever. Kathryn's here.
Hi.
She had hair down to here the first time she came. You ready for it?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Are you guys ready for it? See you at the end.
We're about to do a brand new hairstyle. I've never seen this before online and I think I'm the only one who's doing it.
It's long.
We call it the... Nah, you have to wait till the end until we reveal the name, but enjoy the cut.
Let's dive in.
If you enjoy watching these videos, there's a lot of hard work, love, passion and fun involved. 80% of you hasn't subscribed to the channel yet. You'd help me out big time to grow and, well, you just make my day. Hit that subscribe button.
Now I'll just throw this one out as well, like, whoop, no. HD. Yeah, cool. Leave it like this.
Yeah.
This is for the exciting part.
Yeah.
Nothing's changed in the front. That's short.
Yeah.
See, still nothing changed a lot.
Yeah.
It will now. There go the bangs. Now, before we put some product in it, you can feel it one more time because it's priceless.
Yeah. Such a change. It's good.
It's even short over here.
It's so nice.
That's cool, right? Well, that's it, guys. We're done. Oh, can turn you back. Yeah. Here's the before and the long hair, and the after. I'd like to call this a BUXIE, so you're BUXIE. Don't forget to hit all the buttons like every YouTuber says, and I'll see you in the next one and you next time as well.